Dysmenorrhea or painful period is the most common problem among girls and women. Excessive contractions or tightening is the underlying pathology that results in menstrual cramps. Strong uterine contractions tighten the blood vessels in the uterus, which cut off the oxygen supply to the uterine muscle. It results in painful periods. This condition is known as dysmenorrhea in medical science. I'm going to tell you the most effective home remedy to get rid of painful periods forever. Let's dig in. How to get rid of period cramps and pain naturally. Take 1 spoon, approximately 5 grams kalonji seeds, slightly roast them with cow's ghee. Eat them with water or milk. You should take it 2 times a day. You will get relief from menstrual cramps and abdominal pain with this remedy. You should also take it during periods. After taking for about 2 weeks before periods, you will not experience any pain during your periods. However, you should continue taking it for at least 3 months to get rid of dysmenorrhea permanently. If you feel difficulty taking roasted kalonji seeds, then I'm giving you an alternative remedy. Take 100 grams kalonji seeds, grind them to make its powder. Add 100 grams jaggery powder in it. Take this remedy twice a day in dosage of 2 spoons, that is around 10 grams. You can take it with water or milk. Alternatively, you can also take kalonji oil. It is also available in the capsule form. Each capsule contains 500 milligrams of kalonji oil. You should take 2 capsules 3 times a day. You can take these capsules with warm water. You should start taking kalonji 2 to 3 weeks before periods and continue during periods. For complete relief from dysmenorrhea, you should continue it for 3 months. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up and share this video and subscribe our channel Iron Times.